Hello my dear students, welcome back in science classes. Today I, Jakpreet Kaur, science teacher of DPS Halwani Lamachor, is going to continue chapter number 12, that is electricity and circuit. Dear students, in the previous video I have explained you few terms. Okay, so first before starting a new topic, let's do a quick revision of our previous video. So first, the term that I have explained you is the power station. What is power station? Power station is a place from where the electricity is supplied to our house, to the factories and other places. Okay. Next one is electric cell. What is electric cell? It is a device that it is a small cell, we can say, not a device. Okay, it is a small cell that produces electricity. Okay. Then third one is the production of electricity in a cell. That here we are using the electric cell for an electricity. Okay. So how this electricity is producing in this cell? Actually, by making the diagram, I have also explained you that there are some chemical composition in the electric cell. Okay, which helps in the production of the electricity. Next one is the terminal. Terminal means in a cell there are two terminals, that is the positive and the negative. Okay, by making I have shown you the cell structure here. Okay, this is a cell and this upper one is a positive and down one is the negative. Okay, so this is a positive terminal and negative terminal. Next one is the battery. What is battery? When we join two or more cells together, then it forms a battery. Okay, for example, here I am having one cell, and again with this cell I am adding another cell. Okay, so this combination is known as a battery. Now the next one is the bulb. Students, I have shown you the structure of the bulb. Okay, and even I have also explained that how bulb glows. Okay, so for example, this is a bulb. Okay, and this is a filament in the bulb. Okay, this tiny and thin wire is known as a filament. Okay, this is known as a filament. This is a glass cover. Okay, and these are the two thick wire. Okay, which helps the filament to attach. Okay, it helps the filament to get attached. Okay, and next, one of this wire is attached at the upper base and another one is attached to the lower base, and this base is work as a terminal for a bulb. Okay, this base work as a terminal for a base, means the upper one is providing positive and the negative. So two terminals are here. So this is a complete circuit. Okay, which allows the current to flow and as a result the bulb glows. Okay, next one is the fused bulb. So when we say that the bulb is fused, when we switch on the bulb will not glow. The bulb sometimes they not glow. Why? Because it get fused and then we change the bulb. Okay, जब हम कहते हैं कि bulb हमारा fuse हो गया है and now we have to change it. So what happens? After working for a long time, what happens? This thin tiny wire breaks okay, and which we known as the filaments. And when we break, so the flow of the current will stop in a complete circuit. Okay, complete circuit में जो current का जो flow है वो पूरा नहीं हो पाता है, जिसकी वजह से the bulb stops glowing. Okay, so hence this bulb is known as a fuse bulb. Okay, so we have done the revision. Now let's move to our new topic. So student, the new topic is the circuit. I have explained you about the electricity. Okay, that how the electric current allows the electric equipment to work. Okay, like the bulb, it glows, and the fan. Okay, so now here we will study about the circuit. Circuit, the complete path from one terminal of the electric cell through the bulb. Okay, जब एक complete path होता है from the one terminal. Okay, about the terminal I have explained you that there are the two terminals, positive and the negative. So from the one terminal of the electric cell through the bulb and back to the other terminal. Okay, means from the one terminal the current starts flowing to the another terminal of the electric cell is called a circuit. Okay, for example, like here I am just drawing, okay, a circuit so that you can easily understand it. So this is a bulb here, okay, I've made, and here are the two batteries I am making. Okay, one and second battery. Okay, so these are the two batteries. Means this is a battery. Okay, here where I have joined two cells. This is a positive terminal and another one. I am making a little bit upper side so that it can be clear. Okay, so this is a bulb, okay, and these are the batteries. Okay, this one is a positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. Okay, and where I have connected the wires with from here and here. So this is a complete circuit. Means from here the electric current is passing. Okay, पॉजिटिव से इलेक्ट्रिक करंट क्या होता है हमारे पास करना स्टार्ट करता है एंड इट इज मूविंग फ्रॉम द वन टर्मिनल टू द अदर टर्मिनल एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज कंटिन्यू. ओके, ये जो प्रोसेस है करंट का फ्लो करने का ये कंटिन्यू चलता रहता है एंड हेंस व्हाट हैपेंड, this bulb starts glowing. Okay, so this is known as a circuit. This is known as a circuit. Now there are two types of circuit, that is the open circuit and the closed circuit. So student, when the wire are connected from the both side, okay, here one I am making a switch. ठीक है, जैसे आप किसी भी चीज को ऑन करने के लिए that you switch on, okay, and anything that is जब आप स्विच ऑन करते हैं तो क्या होता है बल्ब भी ग्लो करने लग जाता है. And when you switch on the fan, ओके, दैट टाइम ऑल्सो सो देयर इज अ स्विच. ओके, आप उसको ऑन करने के लिए क्या करते हैं, स्विच को ऑन करते हैं फैन को स्टार्ट करने के लिए या फिर बल्ब को ग्लो करने के लिए. सो हियर आई एम मेकिंग अ की हियर. ओके, एंड दिस इज एन अनदर part. So this is known as a key. This is a key or we can say as a switch. हम इसे क्या कहते हैं, की कहते हैं या फिर switch. Okay. So when this switch is not closed. Okay, when the switch is not closed, so this is known as an open circuit. Okay, this is known as an open circuit. From here the switch is not closed, it is open, so the current will not flow complete in this circuit, so this bulb will not glow. Okay, this bulb will not glow. जब आप स्विच ऑफ करते हैं तो क्या होता है, बल्ब भी ग्लो नहीं करता है. ठीक है, बल्ब भी क्या हो जाता है, बंद हो जाता है ना. सो वाई, क्योंकि जब हम स्विच ऑफ करते हैं तो जो हमारा जो सर्किट है, जो की लगी होती है, वो क्या जाती है, ओपन हो जाती है. एंड दिस इज नोन एज एन ओपन सर्किट. ओपन सर्किट में जो करंट है इट नेवर flows and the bulb or any electrical things, they do not work. Okay, so when we switch on, जब हम switch on करते हैं, then what happen, this key gets closed. ठीक है, ये जो की है close हो जाती है and then the current start flowing to the complete circuit. Okay, तो ये complete circuit में क्या होता है, current flow करने लग जाता है. From the one terminal it is coming out and going to the another terminal, that is the negative one, and hence this type of the circuit is known as a closed circuit. Okay, this is a closed circuit. जब आपकी की या switch इससे बंद रहती है, अटैच हो जाती है, ये कब होती है, when you switch on. ठीक है, it is an opposite, please don't get confused. जब हम switch off करते हैं then this key will get open and hence the current will not flow and your bulb will not glow here. ठीक है, when you switch on, so what happens, this key will get closed. Okay, and the complete circulation of the current will take place and hence as a result this bulb will glow. Okay, so hope you understood, student. Now there is an thing, some like a conductor and insulator. Okay, so let's discuss about that now. So student, your next topic is the conductor. Okay, what is conductor? Conductor is the materials that allow current to pass through them. Okay, for example the copper, or we can say the metals. Okay, every metals allow the current to pass through them, and examples of the metals are copper, you have seen the copper wires. Okay, and the iron, aluminium. Okay, and other elements. Okay, and the human body also is an example of a conductor. ठीक है, हमें भी तो करंट लगता है. So how it happens, because our body is in conductor. Okay, and the next one is the insulator. What is an insulator? It is a material that do not allow the current to pass through them. For example, the rubber. Okay, rubber, wood. Okay, plastic. Okay, paper and other things that are these are the things, are the examples that do not allow the current to pass through them. Okay, next one is the switch. Next one In the circuit also I have explained you about the switch. Okay, so what is it, what is a switch? It is a device that completes means that opens or close the circuit, or it completes or it can breaks the circuit. Break means कि ऐसा नहीं कि तोड़ जाता है, means it breaks the flowing the continuity of the current. Okay, as I have told you that this is a key, ठीक है, ये key है and this is a wire. So here when we switch off, okay, so what happened here, this key will get open, ठीक है, and when we switch on, this key will get closed with it, and hence your circuit is complete here, ठीक है, and from here the current can flow. Here I can make a bulb, ठीक है, for example this is a bulb, and when this circuit is complete, your bulb will start glowing. Okay, so student, your this chapter is ended here. If you have any query in any of the topic, you can leave your question in the comment box below. Okay, and now in the next video we will start our new chapter. Okay, so till then keep learning, stay safe, stay healthy.